In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a GoDaddy domain to Base44. First, you want to open up the Base44 website, click on Apps, and then select the application which you want to connect the domain to. Once your app is open, then we will need to click on Dashboard here, and then go to the domain section. From here, we will choose Connect Your Domain, and you want to paste your domain name. So we will go to GoDaddy, then click on your name in the top right, My Products, and here you will find the domain which you want to use. I'm going to use this domain name. I'm going to copy it, paste it, and click on Add Domain. Once you click on Add Domain, it is going to tell us that we need to add these records. So here we will need to go back to GoDaddy, then click on DNS. Right here, we will wait for it to pop up. And now we have to go and add a new record. So click on Add a New Record. The type is going to be CNAME www, and you want to copy this link. So type is going to be CNAME www, and this is going to be the value. And you want to click on Save. I already have apparently this one added, but it is going to let you use it if you don't have it. Then you will need to add an A name record. So here you will need to type or select A, empty or at, we're just going to type at, and you will need to again copy this link. So here what we need to do is to then paste this value here. If we're making an A record, you will need to use these numbers actually, not the one above. So we will just paste these numbers. You want to click on Save, and this is going to update the DNS servers. Once you do this, you will click on Done, and as long as you have added those two records, you will click on Verify Domain, and if you have successfully added those values, then your domain is going to be connected. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.